Do you have a webcam? And if you don't have a webcam and you want to buy a webcam, then in this video I'm going to show you should not buy a webcam, and with your mobile phone you can just use your mobile phone as a webcam, and the quality will be like this one which you are looking, and it will be more amazing. How it is possible, I'm going to show you in this video. Let's get started, and I'm going to show you my screen here, and here is my webcam. The setting which I'm using right now, you can see that, and the device I have right now, it is my mobile phone and it is connected with that laptop. And you can use all your like connected devices which I have here, and you can see that your mobile phone will be available here in the left corner of your screen. Okay, now there is a software which we are going to install from Camo Studio Pro, and if you have Windows 11, then you may come in store. For example, I have store. Okay, Microsoft Store. Here you are going to come and you are going to just search Camo Studio, and similarly you can also use that one for Mac operating system as well. Now you can see that that is the software, the icon and everything. I have already installed that one, and if I'm going to click open, and it will open that. And again, you are going to install that in your mobile app as well. In Play Store you are going to install Camo, and when you are going to install Camo, then you have to connect that with your laptop, or you can also use with Wi-Fi as well. But the thing which I am going to show you, if you are going to use a USB cable or C-type cable, it will be more amazing, and you cannot see any lag. You cannot see anything which may be annoying. Okay, and there are also different options as well. As you can see that my background is blur. I have just applied that in mode. Now you can see that it is the blur is completely removed, and you are going to use the blur option. And also if you want to show your only face, that is the option. And but now I'm going to show my blur background because there are mess in my background, and there is a lot of option like shutter speed, ISO. You can customize that one, and remember that software is free, and without just spending a penny you can just use your mobile phone as a webcam. And secondly, there are AR. In AR you have different option like face follow. I like that one. See, if I'm going to use like coming forth and back, you are going to use that one. For example, if I'm going to use emoji in my face, now it is my face. And also the sketch version. And if you are going to use different option like lighting, you can see that in my face it is a lighting, and these are very nice like option. You can play with these options and just impress your followers or the one who you are talking with. Okay, now in left hand side, if you are going to come, here are many different presets as well, but the thing which I am going to show you I like the most, like orc attack. See, you have different like setting here, monochrome, and if I'm going to use something like this one, and none, we are going to use nothing. But also you can just see, if you are like, let me just remove that one and see what is happening here. Okay, I think I have just changed the focus. Now the focus is coming. Okay, one thing else, you can see that in the right corner of my screen you can see my name as well. Also you can change different preset here like this one, different option, and you can customize the text here as well, and you can edit everything from here. Okay, like the template which you are using. For example, there are different template, and you are can also make it like a favorite, but I'm going to remove right now. And simply you are going to zoom in, zoom out as well. Like if you are going to zoom in, like my mouth you are watching right now. Okay, now that is also one option, and I like that software very much. If you like that, also write that in comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing video. Thank you everyone, goodbye.